barely see the Indian head today. Can anybody see the white pony running into his eye? There you go. Alright, as you can see here by my wind indicator, the wind is coming from the west because that's where the sun sets. Yes, we're about 15 minutes away from sunset. And the wind is gonna kick up. Here's what I've been working on. I got two 375 watt panels up there, and I am getting all 750 watts of that. In this low sun, I was still getting 400 watts. Got the wheel covers on, got the ladder holding the panels down for now. I just put my stabilizers down. Yeah, don't spend $270 on stabilizers. Get you a 2x4, cut it at a 45-degree angle to go right there, about 2.5 feet, 3 foot long, and a couple of ratchet straps. All right, I'd say get out there. It's too windy. But I will say, have a great day, or what's left of it. All right, talk to you later. Please subscribe. I appreciate the subscriber count. I hit over 500 now. Let's keep going. There's more adventures to be had yet. All right, talk to you later.